In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly connect Typeform to Notion using Zapier. This process will allow you to automate data transfers, ensuring that information from your Typeform responses is efficiently entered into your Notion database. Let's dive in and walk through this setup step by step. First things first, you'll want to open up your Chrome browser. Once you've done that, navigate to the Typeform website and log into your account. Having access to your account is crucial because this is where we'll set everything in motion. Make sure you have your credentials handy, and if you don't, take a moment to retrieve them. Getting this set up right from the start is key to a smooth process. Now that you're inside Typeform, look towards the top menu and find the option labeled Connect. Click on that, and from the dropdown, select Zapier. If you haven't explored this area before, it's basically where Typeform allows you to integrate with various other applications seamlessly. By choosing Zapier, you're opening the door to connect Typeform with countless apps, but today, we're focusing on Notion. The next step involves creating a new Zap with Typeform set as the trigger. So what exactly is a Zap, you might wonder? Think of it as an automated workflow where, in this case, a new Typeform response prompts an action in Notion. So click on Create a Zap and set Typeform as your trigger app. You'll need to select the specific Typeform from which you want to pull responses. Pay close attention here to ensure you're selecting the correct form. Once Typeform is set, it's time to choose Notion as the action app. This will ensure that every time a new response is submitted on Typeform, the information will be automatically sent and stored in your Notion database. Choosing the right action app is pivotal, as it determines where the data ends up. Now comes the mapping process. You'll need to carefully map each response from your Typeform to the corresponding fields in your Notion database. This might include fields like name, email, or any other details your form captures. Take your time with this step, as getting these mappings right is essential for the information to transfer accurately. After you've mapped the fields, it's time for the testing phase. Zapier allows you to test the Zap before going live, so take advantage of this feature to ensure everything works as expected. Run a test submission and check if the data shows up correctly in your Notion. If all looks good, the final step is to activate the Zap. By doing this, you're ensuring that your setup is live and ready to automate data transfer between Typeform and Notion. There you have it, a streamlined process to keep your data organized, efficient, and up to date without any manual input. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this walkthrough helpful.